Hello my dear friends, I am Akshat Singh, and in this video I am going to discuss about the very interesting topic that why the people lose their appetite. It is a very common problem in losing the appetite in both children and adults, and in also in old age persons. So before losing it, you see some symptoms, and you should know about that symptoms, and also about the precautions you take after losing it, and all the things you should do after losing it. So I'm going to tell you about that some symptoms before losing it in the children and old age person and in adults. And I'm also going to tell you about how you can stop it. So the first in children. So the symptoms in the children is that if the children came from the school, and he or she is not eating anything, refuse to eat anything, and refuse to drink tea, or refuse to drink your juice, so it means that something is wrong with them, obviously. And it can be happen that there is some weird things which is going on with their health. And it may be the stomach pain, or it may be the gas is creating the problem of acidity. And so this is the some symptoms if they refuse or drink to any type of cold drink or tea, or you refuse to eat anything after coming from the school. So it could be happen by lose of the appetite. Is always important, because it is often the first sign that there is any type of infection in the children's, like infection of the ears and any kind of infection. So how we can stop it? So the first, you try to sort out that what is wrong with them. And after that, try to give them some mild food, mild food with a mild amount of the spices. Like you can give them a toasted toast, and any kind of which is like you can give them boiled food for stopping that losing of the appetite. So this is the symptoms before losing it, and this is how can we stop it in the children's. So if I talk about the adults, in adults you can see that if they are taking any medication before eating food, and after the eating food they can feel some pain in the stomach, and it is obviously the gas is created in the stomach. So if this is obvious, if this is happening continuously, that it might be a problem, and you have to talk about your doctor. You can stop it by talking to your doctor that whether the doses or the medicines are right or not. It might be happen because your doses are wrong. It might be happen that you're taking the medicines at a wrong time. It might be taken either after the dinner or during the lunch. So you have to concern your doctor, some do inquiries about that medication and their doses, whether we have to increase or not, or we have to take that doses during the lunch, dinner, or after the lunch or dinner. So this is about the adults. And in the oldish person, the if the oldish person is uh, not eating the food properly, means not eating food properly means they are not feeling any kind of taste in the food. You know that when the people get old, their sense of taste get blunt day by day, and they not feel any taste in the food. So in their food, the amount of the spices also get increases. So if they feeling this, so they have to add more flavor in their diets, and they have to add some more spices in their dinner or lunch or breakfast. So this is the symptoms in the person before losing their appetite, and how we can stop it. I have also already told in this video. So that's all of my today's speech. Hope you like it. Hope you like my video.